Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Done this analysis several times in the past, but want to get things updated here as the price made a relatively bigger pullback here recently, and which brings about the first update that needs to be done. And this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So with any sort of continued move to the upside now, right up here around $8.90 is going to be that main level of resistance. Again, that's just based on the fact that this level of support, which you can see, did a fantastic job of holding that support. But once they're broken, which it was right there, that's when they tend to act as resistance. So I'm not saying it can't be broken or anything like that. I'm just saying that if there is any sort of a continued move to the upside, that 890 mark is definitely going to be a very important level to watch closely. On the flip side of things, as far as levels of support are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated here. It's all about that pink line, which on my chart represents the very well-known, the very famous and followed 200-period moving average. So not shocking at all to see the price bounce essentially right off of that level. So keep an eye on that, and that'll be the main overarching level of support. And now if the price goes down there and breaks below there, next level of support that I don't want to call it do or die level, but I would certainly consider very important, would be down here at $8.20, but as of now, that's a little premature because the price hasn't even broken down below the 200 period. But nonetheless, just in case it does break down below there, you now have that next level of support. And I should probably do the same on the flip side. So if the price does get up there and break above the $8.90 mark, next key overarching level of resistance at that point would be right up there around $9.20. But as of now, no point in putting too much attention on $9.20 until the price can first prove itself in the near term. And again, quote unquote, prove itself, being defined as $8.90. But overall, rough day, but price did make a little bit of a recovery. So let's see if the price can continue to build upon this momentum or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.